G'day guys, it's Firaz here and I'm going to be showing you how to lock and unlock your computer. I will be demonstrating on a laptop, but this theory can be used for both laptops and desktops using a Microsoft Windows operating system, whether it be Windows 7, 8 or 10, but we will be demonstrating on Windows 10. Please take note that this is a very simple exercise, yet to lock your computer we have 4 possible methods. There is more as well, but we will be exploring 4 possible methods. So the first one I want to show you is the correct or long or the original way to actually lock your computer that Microsoft has identified, because they use a graphic user interface. So they want you to use the mouse and pointer to actually make use of this function. Alright? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to start, and in your start menu you will see there's a little circle that might have a photo of yourself, or it is just a little circle that indicates for a face, and it will, if you hover over it or highlight it, it will show your username. If you click on there, you'll be given the option to change account settings, lock, sign out, or switch account. That is there giving you the option to lock your PC. There is another fantastic method that is prescribed, but it's not always available, and that is a single lock function. If you come and have a look over on my keyboard, I have this little lock, which is a shortcut key. If I press that button, it will automatically lock my PC. And that is a quick way. So if I'm stepping away from my PC, or I'm stepping away from my laptop, and I want no one to have access to my information that's on it, because that is the reason why we lock our PCs, I can simply just hit that key, and in the instant, my PC is locked. Another function that we make use of, which is the traditional way, it's one of the most commonly used ways, and that is through the function of pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Okay, it's a button combination, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, and it will bring up that menu. That menu then says lock, switch user, sign out, change password, task manager. That can also vary based on the operating system that you're using. We will be cancelling that, and then we will be looking at a more commonly used way for those tech savvy people, because we want to be nice and quick. If you don't have that automatic lock function, another great way is Windows plus L. That's your Windows button, which is the button to start, and the L key. Pushing that together will lock your PC. Alright, so that is methods on locking your PC. Do note that technology is moving forward, and with the introduction of tablet PCs, touchscreen PCs, there are better ways to lock your PC as well. Some functions include double tapping on a certain point of your screen, hitting a little lock button that's made present somewhere, or even just going ahead and swiping over your camera to close your PC. Those are just new technologies that are in place. But for now, we're going to lock the PC with Windows L, and there we can see the PC is locked. Windows 8 introduced this fantastic tile or screensaver that you can use, which basically when you lock your PC, you are presented with a screen like this, instead of just saying your PC is locked, which is what Windows 7 used to do. To get rid of the slide, you might be prompted to enter a button combination, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, or if you have a touchscreen, you could just easily swipe up like your smartphone. All you can do is either hit enter, spacebar, or even just click on your left click on an empty space on the screen, and it will prompt you for your password. Now, I do hope that your PC is protected with a password. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to enter the password so you can't see that part. And voila, our PC is unlocked. Now, with the introduction of Windows 8, Microsoft has given us some fantastic ways to lock and unlock our PCs, very similarly to our smartphones. Our smartphones now have biometric scanners, it has iris scanners, facial recognition, You can go as far as inserting a PIN code or a pattern, or even just the regular old character password. And Microsoft Windows makes provision for that. Built in, they have three options. They have your password, they have a PIN code, and they have a picture password. I'm going to touch on the picture password very shortly, but do note that your PCs, whether it be laptops or desktops, also include biometric scanners, facial recognition, iris scanners, and the list goes on. Very different ways to unlock your PC. But I want to just touch on a picture password. What a picture password is, and it's just prompting me to put in my password, so I just want to enter that very quickly when you can't see. And this is a good thing. If you have a password, you can't use a picture password without an actual character password or PIN. So we're going in there. Microsoft asks us to choose a picture, and I'll choose this lovely South African flag. So we now have the option. We can use various amounts of things with just a click. We can use lines, we can use circles, a various amounts of objects, but I just want to show. So if we use this picture, we have three gestures that we can indicate. So it tells you to set up the gestures, whether, like I said, it'd be a line, just a tap, a circle, a zigzag. That's up to you. I'll be using a simple click, and I will make it on points that I know when I come to my PC, I can easily find them. So let's say you use a picture of three faces. Clicking on each person's face would then be the same principle. But I'll be using just a little 3-click process. And as you can see, it does a confirmation to make sure I will remember that. And now that it's finished, I have a picture password enabled. Now with this, you get to still use your original password that you type in, but you also get the use of a picture password. The picture password has privacy settings whereby the clicks are not made to look available. So if you do it very quickly with your mouse, people won't be able to see very easily. But let's test the picture password. Windows and L to lock the PC. And there it's asking us to perform those gestures in order to unlock the PC. I will now do so, and there we see the PC is locked. So that was a quick tutorial on how to lock and unlock your computer, but it's also a bit of information about different methods of locking and unlocking your PC. But remember, the most important reason for locking your computer is to protect the information that is there. Someone, if they see your PC is unlocked and you're not there, they can very easily take the opportunity to come and snoop. So thank you very much for your time and watching my video. Have a good day.